They're in the gate. And they're off, and Sing Sing breaks in stride, and Conquering Cat with good speed as well. El Dandy comes up and down toward the inside, the Toner. So down the backstretch run, El Dandy up for a short lead, the Toner second, Conquering Cat backs off them into third. Keep it easy toward the inside, fourth, Magnitude is now fifth. Sing Sing broke on top and is back in sixth. Munson is seventh, and it's 5 back to Fiddling Felix to trailer, about 10 lengths off the lead. The opening quarter in 22 seconds flat, and the Toner has come on through to take the lead. El Dandy's trying to keep up, but is losing ground. Conquering Cat comes wide. Keep it easy goes down to the inside. Sing Sing stuck in behind. Magnitude is wide off the turn as well. They all have to pick it up to catch the Toner, whose leads 2.5 with a furlong to go. Conquering Cat is grinding away. Sing Sing's advancing down to the final 16th now, and it's still the Toner, but the lead's down to length and a half. Here comes Conquering Cat, and here comes Munson on the far outside, and here comes the wire, and Conquering Cat got it. Conquering Cat won it in the end. Munson from nowhere to grab second. Then it was either the Toner or Sing Sing or Fiddling Felix or Magnitude. Number 7, Conquering Cat first, 9, Munson second, 5, the Toner third, photo for fourth. Number 6, Magnitude was fourth, and number 10, Sing Sing fifth. The official winner, Conquering Cat, is a 2-year-old son of game winner from Koi Cat by Hold That Tiger, owned by Dare to Dream Stable, trained by Chris Davis, the winning jockey, Luis Saez. Conquering Cat, bred in Kentucky by SF Bloodstock and Tuscany Bloodstock. The time for the race is 105.77 seconds. Turning to race number 2, Scratch 8 Dreamster. Scratch the 8 Dreamster from the second race today. No other changes in race 2. It's up next. In the winner's circle,